Freestyling in the ride, man. It's your boy Million, aka Indiana Jones, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Boom, there goes your car. Boom, there goes your crib. Boom, I run it still. Whoop, don't fuck with Mill. Yeah, yeah. Hey, yo, don't fuck with Mill. Hey, yo, don't fuck with Mill. Boom, there goes your car. Boom, there goes your crib. Boom, I run it still. Whoop, don't fuck with Mill. Yeah, yeah. Hey, yo, don't fuck with Mill. Y'all know what time it is, nigga. Hey, yo, don't fuck with Mill. I don't want your hoe. I don't want your beats. Nigga, you ain't even gotta hang on to a type. You don't want that shit. I'm a fiend for the green. Cause it acts like crack. Ain't talking about cash. I ain't trying to hear that. Hey yo, money can't buy happiness, but broke can't buy damn thing. I'm intense like camping. My imprint, I'm stamping on anything that makes dope. I come through and take yours. I'm trying to smash, no brakes, ho. Better catch up tomatoes. Like stop that, cause I'm on it like a top hat. And these niggas know the Glock strap. Have a nigga like my bad. I don't really mean to start that. I'ma put it back in pot black, cause they know that it's easy to see. You ain't gotta be a G to be bout that. Like boom, there goes your car. Boom, there goes your crib. Boom, I run it still. Whoop, don't fuck with Mill. Nah. Hey yo, don't fuck with Mill. Yeah. Don't fuck with Mill. Y'all know what time it is, man. Million, aka Millie the Kid, aka Millie Guns. You know what I mean? It's real, man. If you're not following me on Twitter, you can do so at Million23. And if you're on Facebook, hit that /Shredder Gang page. You heard me? 2 finger salute to my Shredder Gang soldiers. Peace.